Hi, this is Pavitra. Today I want to discuss about other characteristics of case tools. Okay, before going to my main topic, I want to discuss about a small introduction about case tools. That means what is mean by case tools, how it is helpful in our software engineering, and also what are the types of that case tools. And we come to the other characteristics of the case tools. Okay, coming to the case tool definition, what does it mean? Means it is the implementation of computer facilitated tools and methods in software development, and case stands for computer aided software engineering. Aided means that gives some support to that software engineering. Case is used to ensure a high quality and detect free software. Case ensures a checkpointed and disciplined approach and helps designers, developers, testers, managers, and others to see the project milestones during the development. So, as per whole, we can understand the case tool is one type of tool which helps the designers and engineers to maintain quality in their software projects. As we know, the software engineering is just a detailed study of the design, development, and maintenance of the software actually. So in that particular all the process, this case tool is helpful for the engineers to achieve their task and maintain high quality in their software projects. Okay, and also case can also help as a warehouse for documents related to projects like business plans, requirements, and design specifications. Okay, can also help our warehouse means it also helps to store anything important documentation related information about projects like that. One of the major advantage of using case is the delivery of the final product, which is more likely to meet real world requirements, as it ensures that customers remain part of the process. As we discussed previously, the case tool helps in generating a final product with more quality actually. This is the main task of the case tool and the main advantage that engineers will get from the case tool by using the case tool. Okay, one of the essential idea of case tools is that inbuilt programs can help to analyze developing systems in order to enhance quality and provide better outcomes. So the final result, for high quality final result, there will be some inbuilt programs in the case tools. Using the inbuilt programs, we are just maintain some quality in our software projects what we are developing. Various tools are incorporated in case and are called as case tools, which are used to support different stages and milestones in software development lifecycle. We know about software development lifecycle and what are the processes are involved in that, what we are doing to achieve our final result to develop a software. In every stage, this case tool will be helpful for the developers or engineers to achieve their goal and to get the final product with high quality. And also based on customers ideas, the product will be developed using this case tool. So this case tool is very helpful for the developers in their different stages of developing their software. Okay, coming to types of case tools. Okay, first, diagramming tool. Okay, it helps in diagrammatic and graphical representations of the data and system processes. It represents system elements, control flow, and data flow among different software components and system software in a pictorial form. Okay, as per whole, we can say is our information will be represented in a pictorial or graphical representation in this diagramming tool. This is one type of case tool actually. For example, flowchart maker tool is one of the diagramming tool actually. Computer display and report generators, and it is helps in understanding the data requirements and relationships involved. Coming to analysis tools, it means it focuses on any redundancy in any irregularity in our data or any diagrams or enormous omissions. It just concentrate, this case will particularly concentrate on this data redundancies actually. Data redundancy means that same copy of data will be present in multiple times actually. Okay, coming to central repository, it provides the single point of storage for data diagrams, reports, and documents related to project management. Okay, next, Documentation generators. It helps in generating user and technical documentation as per the standards. As per some standards, it is generating some technical documentation which is useful to develop any software. It creates document for technical uses and also the end users. For example, Adobe Robo help for documentation. This is one of the case tool that is used for documentation generators. Coming to code generators, it supports in the auto generation of the code, including definitions with the help of designs, documents, and also diagrams. Okay, this is a small introduction about case tools and what are the case tools present. Coming to characteristics, what are the characteristics, or functionalities that is exhibited by the particular case tool which we have discussed previously. Okay, coming to hardware and environmental requirements, in most cases it is the prevailing hardware that might place constraints upon the case tool choice. Okay, some constraints means particular rules were set for particular case tool. Thus, rather than process hardware necessities for a case tool, the task at hand becomes to suit in associate degree optimum configuration of the case tool within the existing hardware capabilities. Therefore, it is often emphasized on choosing the foremost optimum case tool configuration for a given hardware configuration. So as per whole, we can say according to hardware configuration, we have to select the case tool configuration so that the at that situation only it just meet the needs of the software developer and it gives the quality product at final stage. Coming to another characteristic of the case tool, that is documentation support. The deliverable documents should be organized diagrammatically and may be able to incorporate text and diagrams from the central repository. This helps in manufacturing up-to-date documentation. The case tool ought to integrate with one or a lot of the commercially obtained publication packages. It ought to the doable to export data, graphics, tables, knowledge word book reports to the DTP package in commonplace forms like PostScript. Okay, this is one of the characteristic of the case tool. That means it provides some documentation up to date, so that the any outsider will just look and for example took the example of some people are working on one software project. If any new number is added using this case tool and the characteristic, this is documentation support, it just maintains documentation up to date. Whatever we have done previous day, it just maintain that whatever we have done up to date, so that any person can understand what is the work going on, where we in our work, where we are, like that. Coming to another characteristic of the case tool, that is project management support. The case tool ought to support assembling, storing and analyzing data on the computer code project's progress like a calculable task length, regular and actual task begin, completion dates and result of the reviews, etc. Is just project it just manages the project. Case tool, this is one of the main characteristic of the case tool. It maintains the project's external interface. The case tool ought to permit the exchange of the data for the reusability of style. This is the main and important characteristic of the case tool. There will be a reusability. The data that is to be exported by the case tool ought to be ideally in American Standard Information Interchange format, that means ASCII code format, and support open design. Similarly, the info workbook ought to give a programming interface to access information, and it is needed for the integration of custom utilities, building new techniques or populating the info workbook. Okay, coming to other characteristic of the case tool, that is called reverse engineering. This case tool ought to support the generation of structured charts and knowledge dictionaries from the prevailing supply codes. It is ought to populate the info workbook from the ASCII text file. If the tool is employed for the re-engineering data systems, it is ought to contain conversion tool from indexed consecutive file structure, graded and network database to computer database systems. Coming to last characteristic of the case tool, that is data dictionary interface. The data workbook interface ought to give read and update access to the entities and relations hold on it. It ought to have the print facility to get the textual matter of the viewed screens. It ought to give analysis reports like cross-referencing, impact analysis, etc. Ideally, it ought to support a question language to look at it at its contents. So, as per the whole, we can conclude we just have an idea on what is case and how it is helps and what are the types of that case tools and what are the characteristics that are exhibited by the case tools. Okay, this is the end of my topic. Thank you.